Hey guys, want to take a look at Bitcoin Cash. Now, Bitcoin Cash is actually the original Bitcoin until it forked. So, Bitcoin Cash, I don't have any of this project. I don't know. I wouldn't mind having it if I actually could afford, like, for example, 100 of it. I might take a chance on it. It actually did fairly well in the last bull run, as we can see. If I pull up this chart on the weekly here, it went up to, yeah, almost like a couple $1,000. Well, about 1,700 bucks was at its top. So yeah, it didn't do too bad. And but basically, let's take a look at it right now. And actually, let me put this on the 4-hour chart. I want to point out a couple things here. Now, it's pretty much respected this trend line, and you can see it's kind of marched its way up. Now, okay, it did fall through here, but it quickly pumped itself right back up. And right now, it is getting a little bit of a pullback. But so is Bitcoin. As you can see here, it kind of broke out of this range that we were in pretty much all weekend and has broken down. So Bitcoin Cash kind of doing the same. But there is a resistance here at about $490. And you can see it got rejected a couple times, broke through, and just couldn't hold it. And it tried to get back above it on the last 4-hourly candle and wasn't able to. It kind of had an indecisive, candle here. So at the moment, we're going to close this candle, in the next minute and a half, and we'll see. It basically is at a decision point. It's either got to break this resistance or it's going to break down. And if we take a look at some, breakdown points, let's see where it could possibly break down to. If we look at this on the daily, I do believe somewhere around here would be a good point at about $473. You can see this was support here, support, resistance. So I believe about $473 is going to be a point where it could find some support. And yeah, that would be, first line of defense, we can say. And the next one, probably going to be about here, although this doesn't really fully line up with some of the points on this side. But okay, it lines up fairly well over here. You can see it was resistance basically, support here, support all through here pretty much, support. But yeah, it doesn't completely line up here and here. Anyways, I believe that about $450 will be that next support. So if you end up breaking 473, then you're going to about $450. At the moment, like I said, Bitcoin is breaking down, and this is the hourly chart over here. So basically, it looks like we're forming a Bart Simpson, kind of, a little bit. And that probably means it's going to head back down to where it came from. So, yeah, it could get some support here, but probably it's going to go down to about 65.3, I think. And we'll see. It'll probably complete this head, basically. And anyways, guys, that's all I got for you right now on Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin itself kind of breaking down, but that does leave a CME gap above us, which is actually pretty good, I think. So, yeah, I think we did close. Yeah, we closed somewhere up here, I believe, around 67,000 on Friday. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.